Number 1. Any level lift. How much ground clearance do you really need as a modern driver? Well, the designers of this suspension system seem to think more is always better, up to 33 inches in the front and 30 inches in the back. Imagine being able to tackle off-road terrain with ease, even after a quick trip to the supermarket. And the best part, you can control the suspension directly from your smartphone, making it even more convenient. Unfortunately, not all cars are compatible with this engineering marvel just yet, and heavy-duty vehicles may have to settle for a reduced clearance of 20 cm due to US laws. But as some savvy commenters have pointed out, the lower clearance actually makes maintenance tasks like oil changes much easier. Who knew more clearance could be both exciting and practical? Number 2. Rhino Impact Step Connect Plus. Picture yourself as a valet in the colossal Bremerhaven car terminal, one of the world's largest parking lots. But even in a humble supermarket parking space, the risk of scraping neighboring vehicles can dampen your spirits and throw off your plans. Fear not, the ingenious creators of protective steps have the ultimate solution. Not only do these steps shield your ride, but they also enhance your parking prowess by offering optional parking sensors. Crafted from a material with a smart pivoting bracket, they compress by 6 units, ingeniously absorbing corner impacts. Initially designed for Mercedes-Benz Sprinter vans, it won't be long until these marvels conquer the set-in market too. Number 3. Glide Step Plus Fold Step. Revolutionize your vehicle entrances with retractable steps. Choose from 2 models. The robust Silver Glide can hold up to 200 kilograms and extends in 5 seconds, complete with an LED strip for a stylish entrance. Alternatively, the sturdy Yellow Fold Step with a remarkable 205 kilograms rating can be opened manually and has been tested through 28,000 cycles. Made by a world leader in designing steps for emergency services, these marvels are also installed on electric cabs in London. Say goodbye to awkward entries and embrace the convenience of these game-changing steps. Number 4. BraunAbility. Sadly, not everyone has access to basic steps. The World Health Organization reveals that over 1 billion people worldwide live with disabilities, relying on wheelchairs for mobility. Enter the ingenious team at BraunAbility, revolutionizing comfort by equipping select production cars with ramps. Take the Chrysler Pacifica, for instance, showcased in the video. It flaunts a ramp, boasting an impressive weight capacity of 363 kilograms and a width of 71 centimeters. Controls are conveniently located on a compact key fob, while the modified interior is a marvel of practicality. Front seats can even be fitted with wheels or made retractable, allowing wheelchair users to stow their chairs and enjoy the utmost comfort during the ride. BraunAbility is redefining mobility for a more inclusive world. Unleash curiosity, bid laziness farewell. Astonishing facts from history, present, future. Brace for nature's forces, untamed wildlife. Jaw-dropping revelations, mysteries, wonders await. Subscribe now, embark on an unforgettable journey. Number 5. Active Aero. It's time to step on the gas. Prepare to leave competitors in the dust with this awe-inspiring wing system, straight out of a racing movie. Not only does it exude style, but it also propels you to new heights of record-breaking speed. Imagine, as the manufacturer claims, this wing adapts to your driving in real time, enhancing your performance with each thrilling lap. Crafted from the toughest materials, including Kevlar, carbon fiber, and sturdy aluminum mounts, this wing means business. Take control from the special panel in the passenger compartment and unleash its power. Priced at $3,000, this upgrade is worth every penny. Feast your eyes on the Mazda MX-5, also known as the iconic Miata, featured in the video. With its 900,000th car rolling off the assembly line in February 2011, it secured its position as the world's best-selling roadster for the 4th time. Get ready to soar to new heights of driving exhilaration. Number 6. Tommygate Cassette Liftgate in the US alone. The long-haul trucking market reached $182 billion in 1 year, and in order to prevent goods handlers from injuring their backs, they can get these lifts. They can be mounted both on a huge truck and a compact van. For example, the Cargo Van V2 version offers about 500 payload capacity and is suitable for Ford, Nissan, and Chevrolet vans. But the more powerful TKT version lifts up to 1.4 tons and allows you to easily move pallets. The lifts are available worldwide and are selling so well that they're distributed by over 900 companies. Number 7. Yakima TopWater. Deliveries completed, it's time to unwind. How about a relaxing fishing trip? And lucky you, your beloved fishing rods, bait, lines, and hooks are neatly organized in this remarkable box. Picture this. It comfortably holds up to 8 fishing rods, some as long as 4 meters, secured with padded inserts and straps. Need space for accessories? No worries, there's ample room at the bottom. Measuring a generous 2.6 meters, this box even features drainage holes to keep water at bay. Let's not forget the Yakima Escape system, where one key locks both the rods and the box itself. Versatile mounting options include rooftops and select trailers. The only catch, the price tag of $629. Prepare to cast your worries away with this angler's dream companion. Number 8. ARB Frontier Long-Range Fuel Tank. Checking our fuel reserves to ensure an uninterrupted adventure. Say goodbye to limitations with this extraordinary ARB Scene product, a fuel tank that surpasses expectations. With a capacity of up to 180 liters, compatibility with various factory fuel systems, and a robust 7 to 9 millimeter wall thickness, it's a force to be reckoned with. But here's the genius part. Thanks to its ingenious polymer construction, it weighs less than conventional models. Produced in Australia, this tank has even survived being run over by a tank itself. However, it's vital to note that the polymer material is only suitable for diesel fuel. And yes, the price is noteworthy, coming in at around $100. Fuel your wanderlust with confidence and conquer the roads like never before. Number 9. Kranman. Sweden isn't just a hub of impressive machinery, they also craft equally remarkable trailers to transport it. Take this entry-level model, for instance, boasting a mighty 1.6-ton capacity. It comes complete with a crane, a hydraulic removable bogie, and the innovative Robson drive system. Need to venture off-road occasionally without splurging on aggressive tires or all-wheel drive? No problem. Simply lower the rollers, apply torque, and conquer challenging terrain effortlessly. When the off-road adventure ends, raise the rollers and drive as usual. The perks are abundant. A budget-friendly 2-axle version can be achieved by adding this drive to a single-axle tractor unit. Brace yourself for an astonishing off-road experience with this scream-worthy system, as endorsed by the manufacturer. Number 10. Electric Spare Tire Winch. Gone are the days when SUVs proudly display their spare tires on the tailgate. Nowadays, many models hide them underneath, making it a challenge for owners to locate them. But fear not, ingenious systems have emerged to save the day. The first is an automatic marvel, energized by the car battery, swiftly shifting the spare tire back and forth in just 30 seconds. As the creators claim, it's a breeze to install and built for any road conditions. Now, the second option is a manual solution, boasting a hefty 45-pound payload and supplied with all the necessary mounting equipment. The creators offer this system for a mere $200. Bid farewell to spare tire hide and seek with these ingenious solutions at your disposal.